In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to build this Heatmap app. So first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to select by clicking and dragging all of the data that I have. And I'm going to do Ctrl+C to copy. And here I'm going to click, right click, and paste special. And I'm going to come to paste transposed. So here I pasted all of my data. Now I need to make those columns a little smaller so they all fit within my screen. So I'm going to select column F, and I'm gonna come here, scroll all the way to the end, column R, and then I'm gonna hold shift and click. And then what I'm gonna do is resize the first column, and because I have all of them selected, it's going to resize them all. So that looks good. That's all of the data that I had. Now what I need to do first thing is add color scale to my numbers. So I'm going to select all of the numbers. I'm going to come to format, and I'm going to do conditional format. And by default, it just applied a single color. What I want is a color scale. And you can choose different color scales. By default, it applies green to white. I'm going to click on it. And the one that I like is actually green to red, meaning green is the smallest value and red is the highest value. So that's the one I like. I know that some people like it the other way around. So they like red for the smallest and green for the highest. It's up to you. I like it this way. Okay, so I selected that scale, clicked on. I'm gonna click here and you can see that I have this the color scale applied. The numbers kind of in the middle are white, the strongest numbers are red. So you can see that we have a very clear seasonality here. Q4 is a very strong quarter, October, November, and December is very strong sales, whereas January, February, and also after that May are the weakest months in terms of sales for me. Okay, I'm happy with that. Now I need to work a little bit on the formatting. I'm gonna come here to view and I'm going to remove the grid lines just to make it a little bit cleaner. But the most important thing, I don't want to see the numbers. I only want to see the color. So what I'm going to do is select all of my numbers and then I come here to 1, 2, 3, more formats. I click on it. I come down to more formats and then custom number format. And what we are going to do here, we are going to use this 3 semicolons, 1, 2, 3. You also have the have it pre-defined here, so you could also just click on it. And you're gonna see what happens when I apply. The numbers have disappeared. Okay, so I still, when I hover over, I see, you know, the formula where I copied from is still there, but I'm not seeing the numbers anymore because I have hidden the numbers. So that's a very quick way of doing a heat map.